From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Finnegan Bello. Faculty and staff at the University of Missouri have received a reiteration of the university's free speech policy. KBIA's Olivia Fitz has more about the university's stance on free speech.
The letter, signed by University President Moon Choi, expounded on the school's interpretation of the First Amendment. Choi says employees risk discipline or termination if their speech, including social media posts and otherwise off duty discourse, create what Choi calls workplace disharmony. Jared Schroeder is a First Amendment researcher at the University of Missouri and says the email follows legal precedent. But Schroeder notes the message comes as several high profile national discussions about free speech are ongoing.
I think the email is certainly triggered by current events in the news, like mainly the Charlie Kirk's death.
This email adds Missouri to a growing list of universities nationwide that are taking action to control faculty discourse over recent political turmoil centered around Kirk's death. I'm Olivia Fitz, KBIA News.
And the South Callaway School District is working on getting forever chemicals out of its water. Testing showed South Callaway School District had these man-made chemicals in its water last year. A year later, the district says it has installed special filters and is planning to conduct a long-term study. Federal guidelines say municipal water systems have until 2031 to get them out of their drinking water. Superintendent Corey Pontius says the district tested early to get a head start, but it took more than a year for the district to notify parents about the results. Officials say that's because the results took time to understand. The Missouri Attorney General can access health records as part of an investigation into allegations of patients being rushed through treatment at the Washington University Transgender Center, an appeals court ruled Tuesday. Sarah Fentem reports from St. Louis.
The AG's office has asked WashU to provide patient names, medical histories, and other information as part of its investigation under the Missouri Merchandising Practices Act. The act outlaws fraudulent advertising practices. The appellate panel has now reversed an earlier decision and stated the Attorney General's office can access those records. However, the judges sent the matter back to the lower court, which will weigh in on how much of the records can be redacted and how they can be accessed. The Attorney General's office in 2023 launched the investigation into the center, which provided gender-affirming medical procedures to children and teens. The clinic has since stopped giving hormones and surgery to those under 18. I'm Sarah Fentem, St. Louis Public Radio.
And the U.S. District Court has ordered University of Missouri System President Moon Choi to disclose all organizations approved and denied for participation in this year's homecoming parade, the Columbia Missourian reports. The order was part of a lawsuit by Mizzou Students for Justice in Palestine. The group is seeking an injunction allowing them to participate in the parade. Earlier this year, the university updated its homecoming parade policy to exclude political expression. I'm Finnegan Bello, KBIA News, Columbia.